Examining the exterior shape of a rendered 3D image may not always provide the best visualization of your data. To achieve a more desired view, it may be necessary to uncover hidden regions. In Imaris, you can better examine the internal structures of your 3D data by using the clipping plane. When you select the clipping plane icon, the object list is updated. The clipping plane selectively cuts away a portion of the dataset using a plane which can be oriented in any desired angle. In the viewing area, the clipping plane consists of a coloured frame with a white double spindle in the middle. In the Object Properties area, the Clipping Plane Settings tab appears. Under the Settings tab, you can adjust the position and orientation of the clipping plane. The orientation buttons specify 3 orthogonal positions for the clipping plane. By selecting the YZ, XZ, or XY plane buttons, you can choose one of 3 predetermined plane orientations. In addition, the Flip button rotates the clipping plane 180 degrees, allowing you to view the other side of the sample. The clipping plane can be freely moved and rotated to any angle and depth, allowing you complete control over which portion of the object is visible and which portion is hidden. To move and rotate the clipping plane within the viewing area, the pointer must be in the Select mode. To freely rotate the clipping plane, click and drag on the thinner spindle. The spindle is automatically highlighted, and you can freely rotate the clipping plane by moving the spindle with your mouse. By selecting the thicker spindle and moving it, you can adjust the position of the clipping plane within the image. Whenever the positioning of the clipping plane is changed, the image is constantly and interactively updated. In addition, you can change the position by dragging the clipping plane frame. The location of the clipping plane is also displayed in the Distance field. Clicking on the Store button saves the current position and orientation of the clipping plane. The previously stored position can be loaded by selecting the Recall button. Selecting the Recenter button positions the clipping plane at the center of the image. When you are satisfied with the result, you can press the Snapshot button and save the image currently displayed in the viewing area. For a snapshot, you can choose to hide the clipping plane frame and/or manipulator. To do so, check the Show Frame, Show Manipulator option under the Settings tab. The clipping plane only affects objects that are found below it in the surpass tree. In the surpass tree, select the surface object and move it above the clipping plane. Reselect the clipping plane and change its position. Now, the clipping plane only affects the visibility of the green volume rendered channel and the frame. Similarly, by placing the volume object above the clipping plane within the surpass tree, the surface object is cut out by the clipping plane. Lastly, Imaris allows multiple clipping planes, providing yet another effective way to generate the best presentation of your datasets. The clipping plane or planes can be used in combination with both the ortho slicer and/or the oblique slicer to further improve the visualization of complex datasets. If you have questions about any features found within Imaris, please contact our sales or support team. Thank you for watching this video.